How to reset the Synchrony credit card password. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a very quick, clear guide you can follow up to reset your Synchrony credit card password as well. So let's get started. So for that, what we can do is we can go to the login page. So in the top right corner, once we are in synchrony.com, we can look at the sign in option usually. Click on it and from here we can select the option for credit cards, the first option. And that should lead us to the credit card's login interface. So wait for that page to load up. And inside this login field, you can click on this option if you have experienced it and follow out the next step. So here under the login fields, we can select the option of forgot password usually. So right here we have sign in and password option. And right below it, we have this option called forgot username and password. We can click on the second option called password. Once we click on it, we just need to provide in these details. So first of all, provide in your username, go ahead and provide it up. And right below it, we can provide in the last 4 digits of our SSN, which is Social Security number. And date of birth as well, and click on continue. Sometimes they also ask for your account and card number. That will help Synchrony Bank confirm it's you. Once it is done, you can follow up the verification steps and you may receive a code or link. You can open the link and choose up a new password, create up a new strong password, and head back to the login page once again. And inside the login page, you can use your new password with the username and click on this option called sign in, and that's it. And that is it, everybody. Usually, this is how you should be able to reset your Synchrony credit card password. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.